水池里面饮冷雨。我送阿寿茶去，他研磨下笔，直接给我4个字帅。大展宏图，大师
What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. We got a lot of things going on today. First off, I wanted to do some business, some value stuff to bring to you guys, give you some updates on some new Amazon brands and some exciting news strategies that I've got going on. But after this, we're actually going to go to a car meet, celebrate my friend's birthday. It's going to be out in Huntington Beach, so I'm going to bring out the Ferrari. I don't know what cars are going to be out there because it's not really like a supercar meet. It's more of just like a, hey, if you love cars, come through. So hopefully it goes down. But I wanted to break down some numbers on a new launch, some stats right now, because we've had the first official week of this launch, and I want to break it down for you guys so you guys see what's going on. So I'm gonna use this whiteboard right here to help with that. So first week of this new launch right now, we did just about $2,000. Does that look like a 2?
Dude, that's a 7.
That's a 2 right there.
There it is.
$2,000 in top line revenue. Here's the kicker of this. The product cost or the product sale per unit is about 34. Jesus, my numbers are horrible. $34.99. That's the actual sale price I'm getting. Now, the crazy part is landed cost is $3.40. So I'm like basically 10xing. So I have about a 60% margin on this product right here, which leaves me with a ton of room to spend money on advertising. And that's what I'm getting more into, and what a lot of you guys need to get into more is learning your numbers, because a lot of people might have a really small gap between the cost of their goods versus what they can actually sell for. And I want to be able to sell for a multiple as much as I can. So in this case, I was able to sell for a very high premium, and like I would want to have like 40-50% profit margins on this. So far, really, really good. To make this $2,000 as well, I only spent about $75 on ads so far. So daily profit right now, it's about $200 per day. This is literally just baseline. If I were gonna continue going on the same route, I would be making like $6,000 per month, just baseline. But we know that things grow, right? So I'm gonna account for growth, and this account could easily start doing $1,000 days. But the way to do that is to spend money more on advertising. All right, people need to see the product more eyes, more advertising spend. So that means targeting more keywords and adding more campaigns as well. So because I have such a high margin, I can spend more money on ads, which allows me to beat out the competition and also grow my actual top line revenue. My ideal goal would be, like, worst case scenario, still have at least a 30% profit margin after everything is said and done, which means that 30% of my margin would be spent on ads, which is very, very aggressive, but I think we can do it. So that's an update on this new brand. This is in the beauty category as well. I think it's gonna absolutely crush and continue to go on. Excited to add some more SKUs into this as well. Now, another game changer I wanna add into this is how important the SEO was. So search engine optimization. Amazon is it's like Google for products, if that makes sense. Like, you're on Google searching for shit, Amazon's the same thing, except for it's for products. So if you can do SEO right for Amazon, it's gonna be way easier for you to get customers to see your product and buy your product. And I did a really, really strong job on SEO, meaning that I had a very high relevant keyword that was in my title and also in my packaging of my product. That's really applicable if you have a product that can do custom packaging. If you can put big, bold keywords in there, it helps so much with converting. That helps with your SEO. So those are some tips that I've been doing a lot more and focusing a lot more that hopefully will help you guys, right? So that's kind of the updates for the day. This brand is probably gonna do $50,000 a month soon, and probably gonna be 7 figures within the next 12 months, I assume. And then that's really it. So hopefully you guys learned something out of that, but let's go to the car meet. Let's get ready for that, and hopefully you see some cool cars.
And I'm feeling you, girl. Missing my flight cause you show me the world. Your body be well, show me a sign. Tell me you're ready and I'll make you mine. And what I'm sipping at this ain't no.
What's up, dog? Such guy. I was so pissed, bro. Guy has horrible looking cars, and the one car, I mean, this is the one car he decided not to get a fucking warranty on.
Yeah, the RS7. Yeah. And I bought it from an Audi dealership.
Yeah.
You know, so the crazy thing is, they told me the car was previously tuned, right? The tech.
Yeah.
So I'm like, oh, now I'm putting 2 and 2 together. No wonder why they wouldn't CPO it.
Yeah.
So I'm like, you gotta be fucking kidding me. And the sales guy never told me this was tuned or shit. Like, oh my, bro, come on. Kevin's next car.
Dude.
Honestly.
Oh my, I didn't drive it, obviously, but.
You have to.
Man, I was sitting in the passenger seat, and literally, like, Obi drove it, launched it. My eyes were like fucking lit, bro. It was insane. It was insane. It was so
All you gotta do is upgrade Michelle's.
I'm trying to convince him to get a GT2 RS.
yes.
Think of this in terms of like the turbo, the fucking power, and the engine. That's this. But if you want the aero like a GT3 RS, you get a 2RS.
Exactly.
And that is honestly, in my opinion, a really good investment car too.
That true. Also, this is also a good investment car because this car holds value very, very well. But it just surprised me. Me and OB, it just surprised me and OB.
Yeah.
And it's just way better than what we anticipated it to be. Like, we all hear it's good.
Yeah.
But then when you drive it or you're in it, you're like, oh fuck, this is a
good.
fucking car. Yeah, it's a good fucking car. So, all right, we got some merch there. We got the SI JDM boys out here too. Oh, S2K. Oh, bro, this one's fucking clean. Look how quick this thing is.
For the ladies that are watching this, if you want to win your man's heart, cook him a steak.
Yes.
That's it.
And then after, I'll leave that up to you.
You gotta give him some dessert. That's for sure.
Whoa, wait.
What do you mean by dessert?
Yeah, what do you mean by that?
A nice little like creme brulee, you know, nice little cheesecake, you know, some dessert, something
Glad
sweet.
you didn't say what I was thinking you was gonna say.
I was thinking straight cake, bro.
Oh, that's all, bro. That's not a bad option.
I was
right
thinking
there.
about a cream pie, but all right.
2006 AP2, 38,000 miles.
Whoa. 38,000 miles?
See, he knows. He knows.
That's nuts. Okay.
Mid 10 out of 10 bins.
Fuck, bro. That's amazing.
Yeah, best part about this though is it's boosted.
Boosted.
Yeah.
Good
Yes, sir.
man.
Yes, sir.
Good man.
So
Very nice.
if you're down, you could lift up or you can show the
Yeah,
hood.
let's
I
see.
got you
Let's
guys.
see. What's the wheel setup on this?
This is a 17 by 9 plus 44 Volk C28s.
Boy, I like
That's
it.
what was on yours.
That was,
Yeah,
yeah.
but they were black.
Yes.
And tell them what you got it for. The 38,000 miles, and tell them what you got it for.
How much I got this car for?
Yeah.
yeah, how much?
I got this car for 25K. But then I dumped hella money into it, like
Yeah,
mods
yeah.
and like.
Here, I got you with the
Holy
light. I got you
shit.
with the light because
Yeah, shine the light.
we gotta get the cameraman on
Ooh.
the supercharger, bro.
That's insane.
Yeah.
It's clean, bro.
Yeah, it's
Dude,
very,
I couldn't
very
believe
nice.
it when he sold it.
Suspension work done to this, like everything. Got KW clutch boards, sucky bone front, rear, sway bars, EVS axle spacers, J's lower ball joints.
Set up.
Yeah, negative 3.6 camber all around just to get that fitting and dial it in.
No, he's him, man. He's him, bro.
Yeah,
Nice, bro.
supercharged. This thing's perfect.
Every time I see a Honda S2000, it always fucking like head turner for me, bro. Every
Yeah.
single time.
There's
And
that-
this is mint, bro.
Thank you,
like
bro. I appreciate
mint.
I told him
Thank
this
you.
was the cleanest S2000 that I've seen
Literally
in person
insane,
for sure.
yeah.
Because when it was when all the sunlight on it, I
Yeah.
didn't see like an actual
Nothing.
flaw like on it.
I bought mine with 60,000 miles, and I sold it with 110,000.
Wait, hold on. You put
miles
50 on it?
Yeah,
I didn't know
it
that.
was a lot of miles.
I didn't know that. But
Yeah.
it must have been all the times we went to Boba Fett.
It was. Yeah, exactly. Bought it for like 23, and I sold it for 16.
What?
Yeah.
No. Well,
Wait,
he,
why so
he sold it at a like it was not a good market when he sold it.
Yeah, I sold
was-
it back in like
way.
2016, 17.
It had to be around there.
Yeah.
When I was born, grandmama could see it. I be Bentley driven and very strategic. RM sleeve, no diamonds are needed. Floors are heated, so be it, so be it.
Damn, Elias, you're looking a little lonely, bro.
Come keep me company, bro.
Nah, I'm good. You got that.
Give me a little brother.
You good?
Kevin?
Yeah.
Name's Leah.
Leo, nice to meet you, man.
Josh. Nice to meet you. My hands are right.
Pleasure. All good, bro.
What'd you do to get this?
I own a few e-commerce companies.
E-commerce.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So I do that. Some real estate. Yeah, that's really it.
Yeah.
Okay.
You guys know drip, right?
No drip. Nah, bro. This is some new shit, huh?
Here we go. Check it out. You'll see. You'll see.
Yeah, spit some bars.
Ask around. You'll see.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, you'll see. You'll see. Here we go. What the fuck is that bumping down my street? Not a Cadillac, yo, just fuck a Camry. Might be that cat going like Jason HB, man. Who the fuck is that, you ask? Buckle up, you'll see. I'm a nice guy, but I don't work for free. What comes around goes around, they're talking about me. If you wanna ride, you gotta pay the fee. I'm a rideshare pimp, bitch, show me the money. That's right, yo, the way it's gotta be. Cold hard cash is what I gotta see. So if you cool with that, grab the back seat. But first thing first, show me the money. That's right, yo, listen to me. When you're in a ride, we gotta think safety. So buckle up, bitch, we might hit a tree. You don't wanna die tonight on account of me. feet, 5-4 from. Look out now, here we come. Down the road, you're in the way, you better run. If you don't, you're dumb. You must want some. I'm Jay to the sun, let me tell you where I'm from. Huntington Beach. In case you didn't know, it's on the west side of the OC on Pacific Coast Highway. Like I said before, y'all, that's where I stay. We got beach for miles, sun for days. Everywhere I look, just another pretty face. That's the way I like it, wanna keep it that way. And if you need a ride, just show me the money. That's the way it is, yo, the way it's gotta be. Cold hard cash is what I gotta see. So if you're cool with that, hey, grab the back seat. And I'll spit my rap while I drive you down the street.
Yeah,
Oh my God, you're so sexy.
Alright guys, so if you're interested in anything I do and any of my resources, please check the links down below. Any free trainings I have down there, FBA, e-commerce related, check it down below. Other than that, thank you guys so much for coming on and watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave some comments, leave some love, subscribe, and until next time, I'll see you guys. Peace.